You know, when we first started Zoom, somebody was smoking in their vehicle.
Oh my
And
gosh.
I was like, there's to be no smoking in vehicles. And you know what his attorney said? Judge, well, maybe there are leaves. He's burning leaves in his vehicle. That's what we're doing now.
Judge, I remember back in the Zoom days, I don't know before there was that or not.
Mhm.
We had an attorney, I will not name this attorney,
I already know.
who appeared holding two small children and some and
Oh my gosh.
Handed them a cigarette.
well, they were quit.
I have seen shirt.
All right, her audio is not working.
Oh, I think it says it's a little button at the bottom. It says to dial in through Wi-Fi or cellular. I don't know if she can hear me.
Let me see if she's able to read chat.
Okay. Let me send her a message.
We're probably gonna have to do this another day.
I'm letting her know right now how to do the microphone.
But no, she's on lunch. She's ordering her food and everything. So we're gonna have to do this another day. This is court. I'm very accommodating, going past 12, but the ordering of food, I understand that her break is short because trust me, I used to work at Walmart. That's another one of the jobs I had. Now I only worked there for one day, but I did work there. And after that, I quit. But I was a child in school. So she has stopped her ordering and I think she heard me. Because I try to be accommodating, but this is a courtroom. And even though we're by Zoom, it's still court.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
All right. And I'm asking her to unmute, but she has not unmuted.
I don't think she knows how, honestly.
Oh, she's on a Samsung. I can help her out. Awesome. All right. So we're here because your granddaughter is saying she wants to live with you.
Every time someone announced to go.
Yes, ma'am. She's been living with me.
All right. So I'm going to have you stop driving. I can't have you driving and Zooming. That's an accident waiting to happen. All right. So this is what we're going to do on this. We are going to, she needs to provide a letter.
Okay.
Saying that her granddaughter can live with her. And if I allow you to live with her, you are not to leave that residence without prior approval. If you leave that residence without prior approval, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. The next time I'm going to see you, you're either going to have maid bond or you're going to be dressed in blue, which signifies that you're a female. And if you're pregnant, you'll be dressed in yellow or either yellow with the white stripes, because that signifies that you're pregnant. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
So that is where you are going to be residing.
Yes, ma'am, I am. Me and my daughter.
Yes, so we did receive an email from the grandmother indicating that that Miss Beasley and her daughter were living with her.
Okay.
Is that acceptable?
Yes, that's acceptable. So I'm going to want field visits. Is her grandmother in Bear County?
No, she's in San Marcos.
All right.
So that we wouldn't be able to conduct the field visits.
If you leave that residence and move somewhere else, I'm eventually going to find out about it, and a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And let me explain to you what happens when motions to revoke are filed. You'll be taken into custody wherever you may be. If you are with your child, maybe a police officer will be kind to you and allow you to call someone to pick up your child. Hopefully the person you call will be your grandmother, and then you will be taken into custody. If there is no one to pick up your child, then Child Protective Services will be called, and your child may be placed in Bexar County or somewhere else because there's limited places for children. Some children now who are taken into CPS care, they are actually putting them up in hotels or their caseworkers' offices because there is no placement for them. So, one, you will not be allowed to move any more. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And for your sake, do not get involved in any relationships right now until you get your life together. Because when you get involved in relationships because you have a child, guess what? You're bringing your child along for that ride. Your child cannot say, I don't think this person is a good person. I don't think we should be with them. They just go along wherever you're taking them. And that means they do not have any stability. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Can they zoom out?
Yes, Your Honor. I don't need her for anything. Yes.
All right. We will see how this goes. I'm going to run a report in 3 weeks on how she's doing. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we're going to go on our break.